Hey everybody, so I'm back today with another unboxing video, and this one is really exciting because it is a freebie from Influenster. Once again, I will have Influenster link down below so you guys can click the link and get yourself some freebies, because all you have to do is go on their website, type in all your information, attach your social medias to it, and boom. And then all you have to do is go on there and review products that you already have tried to try new products. So this one is the Estee Lauder. I can't really see it because the lovely postman decided to put a big ugly sticker on top of it. Thanks a lot, postman. But this is the nighttime, I think it is, let me see. Yes, it's the Advanced Nighttime Repair Box. So this is Estee Lauder. I don't recall owning anything Estee Lauder, so this is my first Estee Lauder product. I'm pretty sure of it because your girl is balling on a budget and really can't afford any Estee Lauder products. So I'm really excited. I was really excited about that. And Influenster is 100% free for testing purposes. I can't get that clear enough. It is 100% free for testing purposes. They send you products. All you got to do is give them your honest reviews, and you can qualify for another box. Girl, good night. So let's dive into this box and see exactly what we got. So we have the card here that's going to tell us exactly what's poppin'. So this is the Estee Lauder, our next revolution in skincare. New advanced night repair, synchronized multi-recovering complex. New fast repair and youth growing power exclusively for you. So you guys do know I love stuff that makes my skin look as young as possible, because let's face the facts, nobody wants to look old in like their 30s or their 40s, but we all have to face the fact. But still, we can still try to make it, we can still try to look fly until we're like 60. Like, come on, Cher is like still beautiful and it's like 70. Girl, good night. Okay, yeah. So you guys know I love face products. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. I don't know if this is a full size of this or not. I might have to look that up. So let's see exactly. This kind of looks like a sample size to me, but it could be. I will have to look it up. So this is what the product looks like. I'm still getting sample vibes from this. And so I wonder how you apply it. You just tap it on your finger and go on about your business. Like, how do we apply this? Okay, so I'm not getting an actual, like, I'm not finding this specific one, because most of the ones I'm finding has like this little rubber thing at the top of this. But just this specific item for the actual product is $105. So I have no idea how much this would run for. So the bottle actually looks like this, is what I'm getting off the internet, and it is $105. So this is actually a 0.23 fluid ounce. So I'm assuming this is a sample size, and I'm assuming you just tap it on your finger and go on about your business. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know. I would have to do a little bit more research. So what you do is you apply a drop of this product in your hand, and you massage it into your face in a heart shape using all fingers and both hands, and start at the center of your face and move out towards your ears. Glide hands from side to side of face down under your chin, and then the next trace larger heart from the middle of your forehead out to your temples, gliding down to the side of your face, and close the heart again under your chin. So pretty much what this does is it helps with wrinkles, anti-aging, and all that great wonderful stuff. So tonight I am actually going to try this product, and I definitely will film. I'm probably going to film maybe like 3 nights of me using this, just so we can get a little bit of an idea and show you guys exactly what is going on with this product. So yeah, that is my Influenster unboxing of my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and hang tight because I'll have clips of me trying this product out on a clean, fresh face. Jumping on here to end my little vlog. I said I was going to do 3 days. I ended up doing 7 nights. Tonight is my 7th night, and I wanted to share with you guys my full thoughts and review on this. So I decided to go with 7 days just to make sure, like, is it really going to work? Because in 3 days anything could happen. Like, everything could be going smoothly, and then all of a sudden you have a breakout on your 4th or 5th night. So I said, let's just do 7 just to make sure. So first thing I have noticed is this retails for $129. Now, I do know you can get smaller sizes of this. I tried to do a lot of research on trying to find this specific size, which is a 0.23 fluid ounce. I couldn't find anything to that. The next cheapest one was $80 and something. So it is quite expensive, but the thing I did notice is it actually does work. It says, one of the main things that it says that it does is it makes your face look really refreshed. You put it on before, like, you get out of the shower, you put it on to moisturize your face, and then it's like the next morning, if you had a rough night of sleep like I have been because I'm pregnant, and then it's like my stomach's uncomfortable or I'm having weird pregnancy dreams, and it actually makes you look refreshed and alive. You can also apply this in the morning, you guys. It's not just nighttime. You can use it in the morning. If you wake up and you feel like you're looking hella ratchet and you need some help, throw this on your face, and it definitely will I don't know what it does. It like makes you glow, I guess. It doesn't make you look tired or anything to that nature. It actually helps you, I guess it advances your appearance. So I do like that. One thing I do notice is it doesn't have a strong odor. For people who can't stand like extremely bad odors on their face, like I have worn foundations that had a scent to it and you just smell it all day and I can't stand it. So that is one thing I do love about this product, is the smell of it. It doesn't even bother you. Like there's hardly any smell to it, which I love. Yeah, it has like a very faint odor to it. So it's like nothing that's gonna like give you a headache or keep you like smelling something nasty all day. Because girl, I have seen, or I have smelt things that did not combine with my oils in my skin, and you could just smell the ratchetness shit all day. No. So yeah, and then one thing I have noticed, it does definitely leave your skin extremely soft. Like it's fully dried right now, and my skin feels like a baby's ass, which I love. It's just so smooth. One thing I have noticed since using this product, I have broken out in like little red dots. I don't know if that's pregnancy related or this, but I have noticed that since using this product. But it's nothing like to where it's gonna make you look like zit face or anything to that nature. It's just little red blotches, and I think most of that is my pregnancy. It's not this. It definitely, like I said, leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshing, and it just looks like, I guess you had like, I guess kind of like you've had liposuction or something, where they stick the needles in and it like reduces the fatness in your face. So it kind of just like, it just makes you look really refreshed, alive, and boom. So what I'm thinking is I definitely would give this a 5 out of a 10, just for the simple fact because of the price range. Because your girl, we got wine taste, but we're balling on a beer budget, okay? Now maybe for like Christmas or something, I definitely do want to treat myself to this, because this is something that I want to add to my facial routine, because I am really blown away with this. I like this. This is my first Estee Lauder product ever, and yeah, I really enjoy this little product, and I was actually thankful enough Influenster picked me to be an awesome tester for this little product. So yeah, I'll have all of my Influencer information down below. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. You guys are beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Fuck what people have to say. They're going to talk shit about you regardless if you're doing good, bad, or whatever you're doing. They're going to talk. Let them talk. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And I'll see you soon in my next video. See you guys.